And yesterday and today, it's the Nassau, the Nassau School in Spakenkill. You probably, know me, I'm Mark Perez Lopez. Also, we went to the book fair. I got in trouble this morning because I didn't ask permission. Because my teacher told me and this girl, other girl named Lily, she's my classmate, that we were late for class and we were half an hour late. So we went to the book fair and recess. So yeah, yesterday I got this, an owl. I got more. An owl, an Xbox controller. But these are erasers. They each cost 99 cents, but that's $1. A Ninja, Dr. Dark Blue. On the camera, it shows light blue, and a mummy. So these are pretty cool. You can build them. You could take, but last year I got two of these, and the mommy doesn't break, but this one's pretty crazy. You can break this off and this off. So yeah, I'm trying to not break off, and today, I got this book. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna show you. An elephant can swim. There's still one piece here. It's hard to show on the camera. Yep, it's fish and tiger. So yeah, I lost $2 today at school. So yeah, so there we go, and I got another book. So that's a husky. These are huskies. So these are pretty cool, guys. We can't go no more because book fair closed today because it was still busy there. Busy. And before we go, sorry, I was a little bit rude on the giveaways. I told my friends and godbrothers to shut up and beam them up. I almost shot one of them. I can't find my fucking pistol. Yeah. Already, I think 5 people already watched. 7 people already watched the giveaway that I made. I was Donkey Kong and Blackbird. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Have a nice weekend and bye. Bloopers. So no fuck. Okay, bye guys.